Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be discussing and will be writing SQL about a problem. And the problem of this tutorial is that the types of triangle. Here we'll be discussing about the types like equilateral, the isosceles, and scalene, and not a triangle. See here, I have a input. Like here, you can see that we have a three column ABC, and as you know the definition of this triangle feature, like if the three columns are same then we call it as equilateral, and if two columns are same such as AB then we'll call it isosceles, and then if three are not same then we call it scalene, and the other if these three don't form, I mean other than this thing, or if these three values cannot form a triangle because the combined value of sides AB is not larger than that of side C, then we'll call it as a not a triangle. So we have to write this concept. I will be writing here uh, in this editor and we'll be executing the result. So this part we can write in two ways, like we can write a statement, case statement, and also we can write using if statement. So here in this case I will be showing using this if statement. So let me just see that. So we write the select, and our first if will start. If a plus b, let me give a space in between. If a plus b greater than c, and actually I will be writing multiple if statement within a if. So just let me write it, then I will explain it. A, B, and because I'm starting from this last part actually, A, B is not larger than of side C. So first that concept I'm implementing here, then and B, C, and we'll call as this equilateral. Then we will write the if part for uh, the isosceles. For that, if A equal to B or A equal to C or B equal to C. If this comes, then we can call it as isosceles. And then we have to write the part for look, if this one satisfied A equal to B orbital then equilateral, and this one satisfied this. If these both are not satisfied, then it will be scalene. So we have to write simple way like this. Then we will close the bracket. If all not satisfied, then we can write not a triangle. Then this table is a triangle table, so I will just write the triangles. Yes. Now I think it is we have made the concept. So here, if a plus b greater than c, if this happens, then equilateral. If this not happens, if this condition, then it's isosceles, and if both not happens, then scalene, and other one last one is the not triangle. So let me just see the result if it happens or not. Yes, it shows as wrong output. Okay, just let me just correct it again. What is the error? Okay, I think the error here in this equilateral gives right equi. That's the one I think I'm missing. Let me check it now. Yes, now you can see that, we have passed this test. So this is the way this in this if condition you can actually easily write this triangle one. So that is all about this SQL, and please comment below if you want to know more about SAP or SAP HANA or SQL. Thank you for watching.